is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to make some Rosehip's fruit leathers. So I've got some Rosehips from the freezer. You can see they are frozen. I've got some more here. And I've got little tiny bit of halves left as well. And I'm just gonna boil it slightly. Then I'm gonna mash it up with a potato masher, and I will need to put it through some fabric or a really fine sieve because we don't want to get the irritating hairs which are inside. And just going to spread it on and put it into dehydrator. So let's go. Look at this. So I'm gonna put some water in and I'm gonna simmer it gently for a couple of minutes. Okay, so it's been covered just about with water, and I will start the simmering process. Look at the colors, how nice. Okay, now I mashed everything up, so you can see the seeds everywhere. I'm gonna let it cool down for a bit and then I'm gonna take it through some fabric to get nice hairless liquid for our lovely rosehip fruit leather. Woohoo! I'm gonna make another pan and show you what I've got. And check this out, both of them are ready. So I'm gonna let it cool slightly. Let's make the fun part. So I've got an old piece of fabric. You can see the liquid is coming through. And just squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, and squeeze it. Making sure there are no hairs, just pure liquid. Okay, here we are. This is the final result. You can see the bits of psyllium husk, and I also put a bit of lilac infused honey. This one has a bit hole in it. I didn't manage to turn it around in one piece. And these ones are just plain rosehips mashed through. And yeah, that's it. Okay, I am back. And this is what it looks like. This one, you can see the psyllium husk bits inside. And I also put lilac infused honey in it, so it's a bit sweeter. This one, it got a bit hole in it. I didn't manage to turn it around in one piece. And these ones are just plain. So pure rosehips. And you can see it's really thin. So if you like some thicker one, I would suggest to add a banana or apple or something like that, so to make it more bulk. And I'm gonna just cut it into pieces and enjoy it. And this is my vitamin C done. And I cut the rest into tiny pieces, so you can do whatever you like with it. I just gonna put it in mason jar and take it whenever I need it, and they store pretty well this way. Just make sure they are really dry so it's not gonna get moldy. And that's it. rosehip season started. I hope you find it useful. Please share with your friends and family. Let me know if you do rosehip fruit leather, what you are combining this with, what is your favorite combo. I am really curious to know. Spread some love, leave me some comments. Thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing, and that's all from me. From my hand to your hand. Bye until next time.